Susan. I want to give you a couple of fun facts today that you may or may not know about myself and our family. First of all, we are in our 5th rehab of historic buildings here in Cottleville. Our office 11 years ago was the first time that my husband and I decided we love the city, we wanted to help promote it more, but we also wanted to take an old vintage building and make it something great. So before Fixer Upper and all the clad on TV was there about doing the remodels and rehabs, we took that building, which originally was a log cabin, and added on over the years. And then again, we've made some additions and add-ons to the building. If you haven't been in the building, stop by. You can see a little bit of our farmhouse feel. So after that, we decided, and we're here today at Plank Road Pizza in Cottleville, Historic Cottleville, to do a remodel or a rehab of an 1800s building with our son Andrew. Now Andrew's the oldest of the boys. He's also the one that really wanted to do something in marketing and advertising. And you guys who've known me for a long time, whether it was going to be a drummer or a rock star, or it was going to be a gourmet pizza joint. Andrew put it together with his dad, Wade, myself, and Andrew. We came in and hired local carpenters to help us revamp this 1800s building into the quaint little restaurant that it is today. So there's building 2. Building 3 became the cute little ice cream store down on Oak in Maine in Cottleville, 2 streets over. So we serve ice cream, cookies, floats, really just that feel of the old-time ice cream store with a nice upscale look and feel. Huge patio at Plank Road. So during the year, the patios fill up with people who just want to come, sit down, and relax. So the ice cream store, historically that's one of the oldest buildings, as well as Plank Road here in Cottleville. So you can see the stone, you can see the brick. Here in Plank Road, you can see the vintage ceilings have been opened. The floorboards of the ceilings are the benches for people to sit and enjoy. So again, with our love of rehabbing and rebuilding that old buildings, we also like to reuse as much as we can. Last year, we opened Blooming Daisy Marketplace, which is really kind of a vintage farmhouse artisan market. About 35 different local artisans put their goods inside this building to have a nice retail space to add to the quaintness of Cottleville. It's on over 3 acres. A little bit of a fun tip, my husband manages the goats and chickens every day. So if you get up bright and early, you can see him feeding the goats. The chickens are late at night putting them away to keep them from those eagles or owls or weasels that might like to join in with the chickens in the chicken coop. So we're on building 4 at that point. If you've driven down on Main Street and you've driven down on Highway N here in Cottleville, you'll also see a sign just went up. Now that sign has some significance to us. So 1798 is the name of the business that's going in there, 1798 Barbecue. 1798 is the first known settlement date for Cottleville itself. So you'll start to see that remodel going on. It's fun to see the local carpenters here, the local landscapers, really taking a look at how we can expand our oldest son Andrew's business into giving him an additional huge patio, an area for people to come, relax, enjoy a family atmosphere. So with all of this and where I'm going is a little bit about our passion. Our passion here in the area is to really support local business, giving those local jobs back. You can see people walking to work. You can see people enjoying picnics over in the pavilion at Blooming Daisy. So really just creating that small town feel. With everything that goes on with lives and hustle and bustle, it's fun to be able to come to an event at the firehouse or an event or a 20th party for one of the local businesses. We really do like to give back to that feel in the community and welcome you to come walk the streets with us, really kind of see how a small city can really evoke a lot of fun family atmosphere. Now remember, in Cottleville we have the park just right down the street. We have a dog park, so Legacy Park is home to both of those. The city has given us the opportunity to do many events, such as the city Easter egg hunt. We also do a balloon and a pumpkin glow right around Halloween. We do trick-or-treating. We do Santa photos. So all of these things are really out there for you to come in and really enjoy a little small town feel right in your own backyard. If you'd like any additional questions on remodeling, rehabs, contractor information, hopefully we can point you in some great direction when it comes to your passions or things that might be of interest to you. Thanks, have a great day, and again, call us, text us, email us if we can help you at all.